What's up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm showing you guys a swing trading strategy that's going to help you get a 60 to 90% win rate in the market if you're doing it correctly. And this time, we're going to be showing you the strategy on the phone. We've always done the strategies on the computer, but I know some of you guys don't have computers. So this time, we're going to go ahead and show you guys the strategy on the phone. And hopefully, this helps you guys out with your trading. But before we get started, guys, I want to show you guys a couple of things. So you guys haven't seen my cars lately. What happened was I actually sold both my cars, my Ferrari and my BMW, and I actually upgraded to this Tesla, as you guys can see right here. This thing is the Model Y Performance and it's absolutely fucking sick. I actually love this thing. But I traded my Ferrari and I also got this. This is my brand new McLaren 720S Spider, and this is by far the best car I've ever driven. If you guys want to see me do some content with the cars, leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see me do. And I will make some fun videos outside of trading just because, I like the cars that much. So let me know what you guys want to see in the comments down below. But without further ado, let's go ahead and show you guys the strategy I'm talking about. This is a swing trading strategy. It's going to work for almost every single market, especially Forex, crypto, and futures and stocks. So you guys can use this absolutely anywhere. So let's go ahead and jump inside the car and show you guys the strategy I'm talking about. Actually, you know what? I figured it'd be a lot easier to show it to you guys on my desk like this when I set the camera up on its tripod. Okay, so guys, the first thing we want to do here is we want to activate the Elite Algo indicator, the same indicator that I have on my charts right now. Once we have it activated, I'm going to show you guys the settings that you need to apply for the indicator. But if you cannot get it activated, you need to message me at the bottom and I'll show you guys exactly how you can get access to this indicator, because this indicator is not available on the public library if you do not have access yet. So once you have it activated, check this out. We're going to go over here. We're going to hit the settings icon and we're going to bring up the settings page for this. Under signal logic, we're going to make sure that it is set to Pro Scalper. Then we want to also make sure that the sensitivity here is anywhere between a 3 and a 6, because we're going to be looking for longer term signals for this strategy. So I'm going to go ahead and add it as a 3 for now. Next, guys, what we want to do is we want to go over here and have it under strict for the agility. Next, we want to go ahead and turn on the candle color gradient. That's something we want. Signal style is up to you guys. If you want minimal signals or regular signals, that's up to you. Market structure, we're going to go ahead and leave that off. But if you want to turn on to see reversals, you can also use that. We're going to turn on this, enable ranging filter. We're going to keep the settings to default. We're going to turn on the echo cloud and we're going to turn on the trend sniper line. Then we're going to go make sure the dashboard is on. It's set to tiny and we can have it anywhere on the charts. That's up to you. Next, guys, we're going to go ahead and turn on the TP and SL points here. This is going to be very, very important for us to understand where we want to be taking profits. And finally, guys, what we want to do here is we want to go ahead and turn the order blocks off. Then that's pretty much it for what we want to do here with the settings. We're going to press OK. I'm going to wait for the algo to load. Okay, so now that we have all our settings activated, now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and have these specific criteria for when we want to enter a trade. So the first thing we want to look at, guys, is we want to make sure that we are on the 4-hour or the 1-hour time frame, since this is a swing trading strategy. I like trading on the 4-hour time frame, but you guys can go down to 1-hour time frame if you like. Next, guys, we're going to look at the dashboard here at top, and we want to make sure that the dashboard says 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day is green. It'd be better if it's all green, but we want to make sure at least the 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day time frame are green on the dashboard. This is very important for us up here. Next, guys, we want to make sure that we have a green echo cloud. See over here, we have the echo cloud. It was red and it got really thin and now it turned green right down here. This is our first confirmation that the trend has changed on this chart. Next, guys, we want to make sure that we have a green trend sniper line. This is this line that you see right there. We want to make sure this is green as well. Once we have all these 3 confirmations with the dashboard, the echo cloud, and the trend cloud, then we want to wait for a buy signal to happen, and we take the buy signal as soon as the candle closes on the buy signal. So for here, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use our take profit and stop loss levels. So we're going to go ahead and set it right there. Our stop loss is going to be below the last swing low. The swing low would be around over here. As we can see, this is where the last resistance is and support is. So we're going to go ahead and keep this area as a support as our stop loss. Next, guys, for our take profits, we're going to have a dynamic take profit, but we're going to go ahead and set this to 1.5. because if it passes 1.5, then we're going to get out regardless. So over here, you have the 1.5 risk reward ratio. We can see that right there it says risk reward ratio 1.5. And then what we want to do is simply just take this trade and we want to get out when the algorithm gives us an X on top of a candle. You're going to see over here, as soon as we press play, we got this first X right there on top of this candle. This is where we want to at least take our profits because it hasn't hit 1.5 yet, and take our stop loss and bring it to break even. So over here, take the stop loss, bring it to break even. We want to close 50% of our profits, and then we want to target the last half or the next X. So over here, we're going to go ahead and press play. We got the next X right there. This is where we want to completely exit out of our trade right there on this X. And this is exactly how you trade this strategy. Let me show you guys a few more examples of this strategy in action. Okay, so here is an example of a short trade right here. We can see that we have a red echo cloud. We see that we have a red trend sniper line right there. And we have a strong sell signal right over here. Next, guys, we want to go ahead and look at the dashboard. We see that it's entirely red up here in the dashboard, as you guys can see. So we can go ahead and take this trade. And again, guys, our stop loss and our take profit here would be like this. We would have where we entered trade at the end of this candle. Our stop loss would be above the last swing high, so where the resistance is. And our take profit is we're targeting 1.5 or the take profit points that it gives you on the algorithm. We're going to go ahead and press play, and we can see the price is going to go down and going to give us our first X right here, right after it hits our take profit of 1.5. This is how easy the strategy is to trade on anything that you can look at on TradingView, especially if you're swing trading. And that's pretty much it for the strategy, guys. It's extremely simple. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. And if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It really motivates me to keep making videos for you guys just like this. And again, if you guys want to see some videos with the cars, let me know. Comment down below what you guys want to see, and I'll make that happen. Thanks for watching, guys. Have yourselves a good day.